Hi, this is Donna from local shelter. Let me tell you a story about her. Donna was rescued 7 months ago from highway. People found her on their way home. She was hit by a car. They bring her to the vet. They couldn't do anything. They have to amputate her back legs. You will see she doesn't have a back legs. It took 7 months for her to adapt. She was cared in a local shelter. They care about her. And now it's time for her to go to a new home. New owners want actually to take off that fur. She is quite matted to the skin, and she's very hair is very dry, obviously, because of all treatments they had and everything. They did bath her, but still fur is very, very in a bad condition. She's moving, she can come out, she can walk, she cannot run. They ordered a kind of wheelchair for her right now, so she will be able to move more. She gets used to this very good. She's not stressed about it. I got the feeling she's very happy she's alive. She is very addicted of touch. She wants you to touch her all the time. She wants human around her. As soon as you stop, she starts moaning. You see. If you touch her, she's fine. If you stop, it's a problem. Very cute dog. And probably because everything she went through, I can't say she's stressed. She's not shaking or stressing about anything, but she wants to be constantly in a human attention. Whatever you do, as much as you touch her, it's fun. Or it's not. These rubber gloves are very good because they also take every other stuck here from her. And they also wash very nicely. It will be probably a little bit challenging because this is the first time she's drying with a blaster. When they wash her, they dry her with a domestic dryer. That's why we're going on a low speed, so she doesn't stress. I will add speed later on, as long as she used to the sound. Her fur is getting very long to dry. That's why I pre-shaved her. So now we have to do it again so we can take off what's left. And she needs to be dry very well. She's going in a house immediately, but she will have to travel, obviously. Come out of the salon and everything, and outside it's freezing cold. They didn't bring her blanket, so we will put her in a blanket and she will be warm enough. You can see now, because it's been 7 months, so everything is fine. She's using those back legs, but they have to put something on it so she doesn't hurt skin. But as I said, they ordered a wheelchair for her, so she will have a from here she will have a little wheelchair around her, and it will be, but she's moving very well. She's not unable to move. We'll put nice perfume on her, and she's ready to go in her forever home. I think we will have a lot of time together because they said they will bring her often. You're ready to go. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for next grooming rescue.